Ready to break those piggy banks and live your best Lux life? Oh, honey, you're not just in the right place, you've hit the jackpot. I'm here to spill the tea on how to make your money work for you and not be a financial hot mess. Taking notes from Warren Buffett. Yes, darling, the Warren Buffett. We're diving headfirst into 7 habits that are draining your bank account faster than you can say, designer sale. Trust me, the last one's a jaw-dropper. You won't want to miss this, so stick around. And hey, while you're at it, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell. Let's turn those notifications on. Why? 'Cause darling, you're just a click away from leveling up your financial game. Enough chit-chat, let's spill the financial beans, shall we? 1. Designer labels. Previously, we explored the potential financial pitfall of overspending on unnecessary items. While it's true that millionaires have the means to indulge in fashionable clothes, mansions, luxury cars, and designer attire, it's essential to understand that not all of them choose to splurge on high-end brands. Despite their financial capacity, you might be surprised to find them sporting a modest $20 watch or using the same smartphone for several years. Here's a sizzling fact for you. According to a study, 55% of millionaires wear a watch worth less than $200. So darling, let that sink in before you drop your next paycheck on something that's just for show. Keep it chic, but keep it real. The key isn't solely about avoiding needless purchases. It's about making deliberate and thoughtful choices. Consider this. Is shelling out $200 for a luxury brand tee really that much better than snagging a high-quality $10 shirt that doesn't scream a designer name? More often than not, the quality is pretty much the same. It's just that fancy logo that's driving up the price. Here's a friendly tip from the wise. Many folks who've nailed the financial game aren't throwing their money at glitzy labels or extravagant buys. Instead, they're all about getting the best bang for their buck. They focus on value and quality, not just a name stitched into the fabric. So the next time you're eyeing that pricey item, think about its true worth and how it contributes to your overall financial health. Being savvy about your purchases not only saves you money, but sets you on a path to financial wellness. 2. Acquiring a fresh vehicle can pose a financial challenge for many young people. So here's the deal. New cars are like that flashy new phone everyone wants. The second you drive it off the lot, poof, it starts losing its value like crazy. We're talking a 20 to 30% drop in just the first year, and by year 5, expect it to be worth about 40% of its original price. Oh, and if you're financing that ride, it's like getting a loan for something that's doing a financial nosedive. But wait, don't let that get your gears grinding. There's a silver lining. If you want that new car vibe without the new car debt, think about a gently used car that's only been around the block for 2 or 3 years. These gems are practically new and usually come with a 30% markdown just because they've had a little road time. Plus, many of these cars are still under warranty, giving you that extra peace of mind. And let's not forget, a slightly used car often comes with a proven track record and reviews, so you can feel confident in your choice. It's like scoring a nearly new car at a used car price. Now, how's that for a win-win? Understanding the depreciation of new cars is crucial, especially for younger generations looking to manage their finances wisely. Opting for a gently used car can be a financially smart choice, allowing you to enjoy the experience of a new vehicle without the immediate loss in value that new cars often incur. Edmunds reports that a car can lose up to 9% of its value the moment it leaves the lot and about 19% in the first year. The rate of depreciation varies by make and model, but underscores the swift devaluation new cars undergo. 3. Placing bets carries financial implications. Warren Buffett himself has some words of wisdom. And let's be real, when Warren talks about money, we listen. Sure, an occasional spin at the roulette wheel might be your idea of a good time, but banking on lady luck for long-term gains? Honey, that's not just risky, It's financial Russian roulette. Let's not sugarcoat it. Games like slots are designed to tantalize you into overspending, and you can kiss those Benjamins goodbye quicker than you can say, jackpot. But here's the million-dollar secret. Real financial prosperity isn't built on a wing and a prayer. It's crafted through deliberate, smart decisions. So rather than squandering your hard-earned money in a game of chance, why not channel it into more stable investments or a juicy savings account? After all, fortunes are made through calculated risks, not by pulling a lever and hoping for the best. So darling, if you're serious about leveling up your financial game, remember, stable investments over shaky gambles, always. The National Council on Problem Gambling reports that approximately 2–3% of the U.S. population grapples with gambling issues, underscoring the importance of responsible gambling behavior. Keep in mind that making well-informed decisions and striving for financial stability can pave the way to a more prosperous and secure future. Oh, honey, pause for a moment. If you're soaking in all this fabulousness and haven't yet hit that subscribe button, what are you even doing? Go ahead, make it official. Click that button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on the ultimate in luxury living. Trust me, you don't want to have FOMO about this. Now let's get back to the glam. 4. Purchasing real estate. It's intriguing to observe how the wealthy and those with fewer financial resources approach home ownership differently. The financially savvy folks understand the power of liquidity. Basically, it's about how fast you can turn stuff into money without taking a loan. Investing in real estate can be a game changer for your financial portfolio, and here's why. First off, real estate is a tangible asset, giving you something you can see and touch as opposed to just numbers on a screen. That means it's less susceptible to the whims of the stock market, providing you a stable investment option that historically appreciates over time. Secondly, when you own property, you open the door to multiple income streams. Think rentals, tax benefits, and equity gains. You're not just parking your money, you're putting it to work for you. Lastly, let's talk about leverage. Unlike other investment options where you pay the full amount up front, real estate allows you to make a down payment and finance the rest, giving you the ability to control a large asset with a smaller initial investment. So you're essentially using someone else's money, the bank's, to grow your own wealth. Talk about a financial win-win. Home ownership provides not only security, but also a place to share with family. Warren Buffett's concern is only on acquiring one burdened by heavy debt, which can potentially lead to financial challenges. On average, American homeowners cozy up in their nests for around 13 magical years. That's more than a decade of memories, stability, and a sense of truly being home. Now, here's where it gets good. Smart debt management is like the secret sauce to your financial freedom. It's not just about paying the bills. It's about setting yourself up for a future where money worries take a back seat. The real key? Finding that sweet spot that perfectly aligns with your unique financial dreams and situation. Here's a heartwarming fact to consider. Studies have shown that homeowners generally report higher life satisfaction, higher self-esteem, and a higher sense of control over their lives compared to renters. So as you pave your financial path, remember that the choices you make can not only enrich your pockets, but also enrich your life. 5. Subscribing to a gym without dedication. Back in 2017, there were 61 million people with gym memberships, yet almost 70% gave up after just a few months. Many individuals sign up for gym access, but struggle to maintain a regular exercise routine. Possessing a gym membership becomes meaningless when it goes unused. Smarter and more cost-effective fitness options, such as outdoor activities, exist. Recognizing the challenge of sustaining regular gym attendance is crucial for making savvy fitness choices. Exploring budget-friendly fitness alternatives like outdoor workouts, home gyms, or community classes can offer you both the flexibility and the joy in keeping that body moving. Now, get this. According to a study published in The Lancet, people who exercise regularly report having 1.5 fewer days of poor mental health per month compared to those who don't exercise. So when you commit to your fitness goals and find economical ways to achieve them, you're not just saving money and staying fit, you're also investing in your mental well-being. Consider this as you tailor a fitness regimen that's not just kind to your wallet, but also a holistic boost for your life. 6. Luxurious trips. Travel adventures are like the bookmarks of life, special moments we cherish forever. But hurried prep work can take the joy right out of your globe-trotting. Often, people strapped for cash end up accumulating debt just to fund a quick escape, which can turn into a long-term financial regret. So, if you're aiming for a journey that sings to your soul, you'll want to blend that wanderlust with some wise budgeting. Avoid taking out loans for vacations because, trust me, they can quickly turn your dream trips into financial nightmares. According to a survey conducted by LearnVest, nearly 3/4 of Americans have gone into debt to pay for a vacation, with the average debt being around $1,100. Knowing this, it becomes even more crucial to approach your travel plans with a financial strategy that ensures you're only bringing back souvenirs and memories, not lingering bills. Emphasizing well-considered experiences stands as a cornerstone of astute financial decisions. Deliberate financial strategizing and opportune timing can render trips gratifying without stretching your finances. Did you know that nearly 3 out of 4 Americans end up in debt because of vacations? That's a lot of people borrowing money just to get away, and often feeling guilty about it later. But here's the feel-good part. You don't have to be part of that statistic. With some smart planning, your next trip can be all about the good vibes, incredible experiences, and stress-free returns. Imagine coming home with nothing but amazing memories and zero debt. Now that's what we call a successful journey. 7. Screen time. Leisure. Warren Buffett underlines the disparity in leisure activities between middle and lower-income households compared to wealthier ones. He highlights 2 significant issues. The former invest in the latest TV packages, while the latter could utilize their time more productively to learn and enhance their income. Here's something interesting to ponder. People from higher income brackets tend to spend more of their downtime reading, while those on a tighter budget often lean towards Netflix or other streaming services for entertainment. Now, there's no judgment here. Everyone deserves their favorite form of escapism. But it's a fascinating look into how different financial situations can influence our choices even in leisure activities. Whether you're a bookworm or a binge watcher, what matters most is finding what enriches your life. Recognizing the varying leisure preferences among different income groups holds paramount importance. Prioritizing activities that contribute to personal growth and income advancement is critical, particularly for middle and lower income households. A survey conducted by the Pew Research Center in 2020 revealed that approximately 72% of Americans engage in daily television consumption, underscoring the widespread prevalence of TV watching in the country. In this video, we've delved into financial pitfalls that Warren Buffett has brought to our attention, the perils of excessive gambling, which can result in financial ruin due to overindulgence. The benefits of real estate and what to avoid, we've also touched upon. The potential squandering of gym memberships when cost-effective or free exercise alternatives are available. The necessity for prudence when indulging in luxury brands, especially before attaining financial stability. The disadvantages of purchasing new cars, considering their swift depreciation, and the benefits of exploring used vehicles. The prevailing trend of excessive television and video game consumption. In conclusion, we advocate thoughtful vacation planning to avert financial remorse. Warren Buffett's insights provide invaluable financial counsel. Grasping common financial stumbling blocks equips us to make more well-informed financial choices. A 2021 survey revealed that 45% of Americans were more inclined to take a vacation in 2022, underscoring the enduring significance of leisure travel. We appreciate your presence during this journey. We hope that Warren Buffett's knowledge has enhanced your grasp of financial topics. If you found our content beneficial, we invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to Luxury Life Report. Don't miss our future content by enabling the notification bell. We look forward to reconnecting with you in our upcoming video. Goodbye, and thank you for being a valued part of our community.